everybody, and welcome to another edition of A Girl and Her Glock. Today we will be doing a ammunition review of the Winchester White Box Jacketed Hollow Point ammo. And this is actually one of my favorite brands of ammo, and I'll tell you why. One of the reasons is because of its value. You get a box of 50 rounds for $20 at Walmart, whereas most of your jacketed hollow points or defensive rounds run between $20 to $40 for a box of 20. So getting 50 for $20 is a great deal. You can't beat that. Number two, it's very accurate. I've not had any problems with it shooting well out of my gun. It's also very clean. I don't have to deal with much fouling or anything like that, which is always a good thing. And the main reason that I like it is because it's all American. Winchester's an American company. They've been around since the 1800s. They're extremely well known in the gun world, and they're known for putting out some quality stuff. So I like the fact that I'm supporting American jobs at an American company when I go and buy it. The only real issue I've had, and this has only been a couple of times out of several hundred rounds that I put through my gun, is that I've noticed every once in a while it will have a bit of a feeding issue where it will cause a minor jam. But like I said, 99% of the time it's fired fine in my Glock, so I would not have any qualms about using it as a defensive round. I would break out a sweat or worry about it. I would gladly carry it around as my everyday carry without thinking twice about it. So if you're looking for a good American-made, reliable, cheap ammunition to use in your EDC, you can't go wrong with Winchester, in my opinion. You can pick up 100 of it for $40. That's not bad. Anyway, I took a video of myself shooting the Winchester out of my Glock 27 this afternoon, so if you'll stay tuned, I will show that to you and you'll see the accuracy of it. Thank you. Bye.